I'm thinking this is going to be the front, and I hadn't originally planned to do this, but now that I see the print, I'm going to cut along these sides and it can look like a crown. So I'm leaving a little bit of a turquoise border around it. So if you want the same idea, just have a look at your circles. Have a look at your stencils. If you're anything like me, you may have tons of mandala stencils. I know I have a lot because it's one of my favorites. And it doesn't have to be a mandala. It could be a cool triangle. You could have like a pointy one. Or it could just go straight across. You don't even need to shape it. And that goes off the paper a little bit, but I'm not worried about it. This is just a hat for fun. This could be a cool project to do with kids too. They can make their own party hats. So imagine you have that. Ooh, we can put something in the center. So now I need my hat to measure, I think it was 23 around. I'm going to go about 22. I was thinking I was going to do 23, but I'm going to do 22. I guess I need that back. So that's 11. I need another 11. Well, this works out perfectly for me. Well, it's actually going to be a little bit shy of 22 because I'm going to need to join them together. So I guess I won't need this whole sheet either. Like I said, I didn't have this planned out, but now I see what it is I want to do. So I want that one to meet, to continue off here. So I'm going to cut that there, and it might be higher on this one. Yeah, I can tell it is. I just want them to, and there's a difference. So I may just like do like half a circle, like a quarter of a circle, and then just go straight across. Yeah. So just to make that look like it's going to continue, so I'm going to glue it there. So I'm just going to go down like that. And then I'm going to go straight across. So when we join it, I will glue that there, and it will roll around, and that will be glued there. But I don't want to join it yet because I want to do more to this. So I'm just going to take this Deco Color, it's by Murphy, trying to see if they call it a foil pen. Okay, an oil-based opaque metallic paint marker. It is gorgeous. So I've done a fair amount of tracing with the gold. I decided not to do all of it. When I got down to here, I thought, oh, these would look nice if I made it look more like little jewels. So I'm going to do it with this bright pink jelly roll pen. Okay, I had an idea for some dimension and some bright colors. Hopefully these still work. I haven't used them at all, actually. But I have these enamel accents. So what I'm thinking is I'm going to add this pink gumball up in these circles, and then this electric lime on these little ones. And who knows, once I get going, I may add more. Test it on scrap paper first. Oh, yep, it's working. Awesome. So you see might be hard to see on camera, but you get great dimension. Now, do all your line work first because you're going to have to set this aside and let it dry before you do anything else. You see them? So cool. So it's not working as I envisioned. So I removed the bags and I opened this. So we have a couple layers here. And I'm just going to fold it in half. I'm going to try something else. Okay, I do have somewhere a pair of scissors. I believe they're by Martha Stewart. And it has many things, so you can cut many fringes at the same time, but I don't know where they are. So I'm just going to do it the old-fashioned way. Try to get up there. I'm going to get some longer ones. So I'm just going to do this the whole way down. Okay, so we have our fringe. I'm just going to add it along the bottom. Okay, towards the end I'm going to glue this one down. And then I'm going to open that up where the paper was folded over. I'm going to put some glue in there and lay this one down and then close that again. Okay, so we have our fringe, and then I'm just going to crinkle it up so it's not laying flat. And mess it up. And there we have our crown.